Alright, in this video, you will learn how to unsync from Google Photos on Android. What this means is that if anytime you take pictures or videos, alright, on your Android, that is automatically uploaded to Google Drive Cloud, alright, which part of it is Google Photos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to disable that so that you can have your photos and videos only on your device and not on the cloud, because this consumes mobile data. So let's get started. So swipe up on your Android, depending on the type of Android phone you're using, and get to Photos. Okay, look at Photos. Here is the Google Photos. The short form is Photos. So I'll tap on mine. So once you're here, what you need to do is to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right. Okay, so on tapping on your profile icon, you'll see your email address and some informations here. So get to photo settings and tap there. So on this page, you will see that backup is turned off. Okay, but if you tap on your own backup and you see that it is turned on, this button is enabled. If it's enabled, please tap on it for it to be toggled off. You may be prompted to allow to go on with the turning off. Just give the permission for it to be toggled off. And once you do that, anytime you upload or you take pictures or photos or you have videos on your device, it will not be uploaded on Google Photos automatically. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.